my feet closer to yours. Catch my breath and I say, I'm the one you're looking for. So come on, dance a little dance. Take my hand, darling, take a chance. You be my queen, I'll be your king. Show you everything.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Hope everybody's having a great day out there. Today we got another room tour for you guys. I am in the state of Virginia. I'm in Staunton, Virginia. There's not much to it. There's just kind of a highway and trees and hills and mountains. Pretty drive coming in though. The mountains were pretty with the sun setting and everything. So I just checked into the Holiday Inn here. The hotel's pretty basic, gets the job done. It's cheap though. It's like $100 a night right now. It's not bad, but it's not the nicest hotel that you guys have seen me stay this year with this room tour series that we've been doing. So go ahead and get this room tour started, and I'll go ahead and show you what this room looks like that I'm staying at here in Staunton, Virginia at the Holiday Inn. Alright, so this is a look from the entry door here. Your immediate right when you get into the room, you got a storage closet here. Got wood floor throughout the room. And then in this closet, we just have basic storage for clothes and bags, iron board. And then over here behind me is the bathroom. Look at the bathroom here. Wood floor throughout the bathroom as well. Here's the countertop. Nice lighting in here. Got the light around the mirror. Nice touch. And go into the bathroom, take a look at the tub. Tub's a little grody looking, to be honest with you. Got some yellowness right here on the tile. Full-size body wash, conditioner, shampoo. And we just have a basic tub. And here's a look at the tub floor. And it's not the greatest tub, but it gets the job done. All right, walking into the main room now. Here's a look at the beds. We have two queens. And past the beds here, we've got a nightstand in between the beds with a phone, a drawer, some storage in there, basic lighting in between the beds. Kind of weird spot to keep your ice and cups, but that's where they have them, under the nightstand there. And over here we've got the TV, coffee maker, Keurig machine. Good sized fridge though. Open this up for you guys. It's a good sized mini fridge for our room, so that's a bonus. And we got a microwave, which is also another bonus. Some rooms don't have that sometimes. Look at some storage or drawers underneath the microwave here. And over here we got a desk area, nice little desk area, office chair. Look at the chair. There's some lighting above the office area right here, and we got some plugs. Got 3 plugs and two USBs. A little artwork on the wall. Over here we have the window. Over here in the corner we have a chair, air conditioning unit. And my view's not the greatest this week, it's just the parking lot. And here's my view for this room. We got a parking lot and then the highway's right there. So this room's pretty basic, gets the job done. I'll go ahead and close out the video for you guys. All right guys, so that wraps up the video with this room tour. It's kind of middle of nowhere though, it's really just a highway. There's only much to this town, so there isn't much choices for hotels here, but this one gets the job done. Again, staying at the Holiday Inn. And it's not too bad though. It's got wood floor throughout, which is nice. I really like wood floors in the room because it keeps it clean. You don't have the dirt from traffic and stains like you would on carpet and stuff. So that's pretty nice. But it's definitely an older hotel. So if you guys are enjoying these room tour videos that I'm doing, hopefully it's helpful for you, especially those who travel that are in this area that I'm at for these hotels. So that closes out this video. Thanks again for all your support, and we'll see you in the next video.